All right, so you're ready to start a YouTube channel. That's awesome. But before you hit record, we're going to build it from the ground up, and we're going to do it the right way. We're about to walk through all those crucial little setup steps that most people just skip. And trust me, these small details are often the difference between a channel that actually gets seen and one that just disappears. So let's just ask the big question right away. Why do so many channels seem to fizzle out before they even get going? You might think it's the video quality or the topics, but honestly, it's usually not. The real problem is often hiding in the back-end settings, tiny mistakes made on day one that can basically make a channel invisible from the start. Yep, it all comes down to the setup. Get this wrong and you're essentially telling the YouTube algorithm to ignore you. So getting this part right isn't just about ticking off boxes on a to-do list. It's about building the launchpad for everything that comes next. Let's build that foundation properly, right now. Okay, first up, section 1, laying the foundation. Look, these are the very first steps. They're super simple, but getting them right is absolutely non-negotiable for everything else we're about to do. This part's a breeze. You're just going to head over to YouTube, either sign in or create a brand new Google account, follow the prompts, and then click that little avatar and hit create a channel. And boom, just like that, your channel technically exists. But now for the fun part. Let's actually give it an identity. So section 2 is all about crafting your channel's identity. This is where you start sending really clear signals to both your future audience and, of course, to the YouTube algorithm, telling them exactly what you're all about. Your channel name is huge. I mean, think of it as your single most important SEO tool. A name like My Vlog tells YouTube absolutely nothing, but a name like Vegan Recipes for Beginners? Bam! That is packed with keywords. The algorithm immediately knows, okay, I know exactly who to show this channel to. Okay, profile picture time. A nice, clear photo of your face builds trust, and a bright background helps you pop. But here is the pro tip hardly anyone talks about. Before you upload that picture, rename the file itself. Don't let it be img_4567. Change it to something like vegan recipes profilepic.txt. It's a tiny hidden SEO boost that just reinforces your niche. And hey, speaking of standing out, you want a cool little psychological trick? Science has literally shown that the color yellow captures the human eye more than any other color. It's a simple little brain hack, but adding a splash of yellow to your background could be the thing that makes someone stop scrolling. Think of your channel banner as your giant billboard on the YouTube highway. You can use a free tool like Canva to make it look awesome. But please, don't just make it look pretty. Use that valuable real estate to make a promise, a single, powerful sentence that tells people exactly why they should stick around. And here's the magic formula for that sentence. I help a specific audience achieve a specific result through your unique method. So, for example, I help busy professionals cook healthy meals in under 20 minutes. See? In 1 second, a visitor knows exactly if your channel is for them. It is so incredibly effective. Okay, so we've sorted out your channel's public face. Now it's time to pop the hood and get into the engine room. This section is all about optimizing your settings so the algorithm understands precisely who to recommend your videos to. You know, writing that perfect channel description can be a real headache. Instead of just guessing what keywords to throw in there, just let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Seriously. With the right prompt in a tool like ChatGPT, you can get a professional, SEO-packed description for your About page in seconds. And here is the exact prompt to use. Just copy this, fill in the blank with what your channel's about, and let it work its magic. This takes all the guesswork out of the equation and makes sure your About page is actually working hard for you from the moment you launch. And don't stop there. Take that exact same strategy and apply it to the channel keywords section in your settings. This part is like having a direct hotline to the YouTube algorithm. You are literally handing it a list and saying, hey, go find people who are interested in these things. It is one of the most powerful settings new channels almost always forget. Now for a really critical step. A lot of YouTube's most important tools for growth, they're not even turned on by default. They're locked away. And you have to unlock them with a simple verification step that a shocking number of people miss. So let's go get them. Right out of the box, you can upload videos and make playlists. But by doing this one quick verification, you unlock the ability to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, you can live stream, and most importantly, you get to use custom thumbnails. Without custom thumbnails, your chances of getting clicks are, well, they're not great. This is a must-do for growth. And the fix is ridiculously easy. You just go into your settings, click on channel, then feature eligibility, and verify your phone number. That is it. It's a 2-minute action that unlocks some of the most powerful tools on the platform. Whatever you do, do not skip this step. We are in the home stretch now. This final section covers the last few super important settings that will protect your channel from getting hacked and just make sure YouTube is handling your content the right way. Okay, I need you to lean in and pay close attention for a second. We are about to cover the single most important security setting on your entire channel. Getting this one thing wrong is how the vast majority of channels end up getting compromised. It's all about your public contact email. In your About section, you're going to list an email for business inquiries. Whatever you do, never use the same email address that you use to log into your Google account and your channel. Go create a completely separate public-facing email just for this. This simple separation is your #1 defense against hackers. Period. All right, let's just run through a quick final checklist. Make sure you set your country of residence in your settings. Then, unless you are making content specifically for children, mark your channel as not made for kids to avoid a ton of restrictions. And finally, set your default upload visibility to either private or unlisted. This gives the system time to process your HD versions before you hit publish. So what's the big takeaway here? Every single thing we just did, from picking your channel name to your security settings, it all boils down to one thing: building trust. You're building trust with the YouTube algorithm, showing it that you're a serious creator, and you're building trust with your future viewers, making it crystal clear what your value is from the very first second they find you. And with that, your foundation is built. It's solid. Every setting is optimized, your identity is clear, and your channel is secure. You've done all the essential technical work, so now the only question left is the really exciting one. What will you create?